Hello children, welcome to our English class. This is Vijay Bhartipai. I am discussing the reading part A from Unit 4 of 7th class. The title of the lesson is Thenali Paints a Horse. Children, I know you would feel happy and excited when you hear funny stories. The characters involved in this play were Krishnadevaraya, Thenali Raman and courtiers. Before entering the lesson, let us enjoy a movie scene where Tenali Raman solved a problem with his wit and humor.
కవిశిఖామణుల దేశీమ
కొండవీటి సీమ మహాప్రభు అనవేమారెడ్డి గారిని ప్రశంసిస్తూ మేమొక పద్యం చెప్పాం. దానికి అర్థం వివరించగల వారెవరు ఇంతవరకు కనిపించలేదు. తమ కవి దిగ్గజాల పాండిత్య ప్రతిష్ట విని చెప్పగలరేమోనని వచ్చాను.
ఏమిటా పద్యం?
రాజనందన రాజరాజత్మజులు సాటి తలపనన్నయవే మధరణిపతికి భవభవభోగ సత్కళాభావములను భావభవభోగ సత్కళాభావములను
భావభవభోగ సత్కళాభావములను. అంతేగా, దీనికి అర్థం చెప్పడం ఓ బ్రహ్మ విద్య. చెబుతాను. ఈలోగా మీరు ఈ పద్యాల గురించి కొంచెం ఆలోచించండి.
మేకతోకకు మేకతోక మేకకు తోక మేకతోక మేక మేకతోక 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 మేకతోక తోక మేక మేకతోక మేక మేకతోక తోక మేక మేకతోక మేక మేకతోక తోక మేక మేకతోక మేక మేకతోక తోక మేక మేకతోక మేక. దీనికి అర్థం చెప్పండి.
Do you want to know who was Tenali Raman and what did he do? You can see Tenali Raman in this picture. He looks very funny, isn't it? Let us look at the characteristics of Tenali Raman first. Tenali Raman was a poet and jester in the court of King Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagara. He was famous for his wit and intelligence. He had amazing sense of humor that made him so special in the court of Vijayanagara. Have you seen a man sitting in a throne? Can you imagine who he would be? Yes, you are right. He is Krishnadevaraya. Now, let us know the details about Krishnadevaraya. Krishnadevaraya was an emperor of Vijayanagara kingdom. He had famous poets in his court named as Ashtadikkajas. To understand the lesson well, we need to learn the vocabulary. Here are some words taken from this play. Try to learn them well and make use of these words in your daily life. Courtier, a person who attends a royal court as a companion or advisor to the king or queen. Jester, a professional joker or fool at a medieval court, typically wearing a cap with bells on it and carrying a mock scepter. Wit, a natural aptitude for using words and ideas in a quick and inventive way to create humor. Bet, risk a sum of money against someone in a game. Here are some more words. Impressed, make someone feel admiration and respect. Highness, a title given to a person of royal rank or used in addressing them. Imagine, suppose, or assume. Talent, natural aptitude or skill. Shall we start the reading part now? I will read out the scene 1 of this play. One day, Raja Krishnadevaraya and his courtiers watch as an artist shows his paintings to the king. The king and most of his courtiers are impressed with the paintings. However, one of the courtiers, Tenali Raman, looks displeased. Children, Here, Raja, artist, and Tenali were conversing in the court.
That is really a beautiful painting. I can almost feel the peace of the village scene. You are a very talented artist. Here is a bag of gold for you. We shall be very pleased if you can stay on at our court and make more beautiful paintings like these.
Your Highness is very kind. It will be an honor to paint for Your Majesty.
I do not think they are such good paintings at all. How can you say that? I think they are perfectly lovely. For one thing, where is the other side of these two men? You can only see their one side. For another, where is the face of that cow? What an ignorant fool you are. Everything cannot be painted. You must imagine the bits that are missing. I bet I can paint better than that. Well, I could if I had the paints. I bet a bag of gold that you can't. I will give you the paints and the paper. You may also take leave from the court for a month. If at the end of the month you bring me a painting that is half as good as the one we saw today, I promise you a bag of gold and the title King of Artists. I agree. After a month, I will show you a better painting than that one.
The courtiers start smiling, thinking that he would lose the bet. They know Tenali Raman cannot paint at all. Tenali looks at the giggling courtiers angrily and walks out. You have really caught him out, sir. He thinks he is the smartest person in the world. The second courtier. He has really painted himself into a corner. I would like to see him get out of that one.
I wouldn't be too certain of that. He is really very clever.
Now, let's enter into our vocabulary part. Antonyms means opposites. Here I have taken some sentences from the text, so we have to find out the opposites of that given word. Let us see the first one. Tenali Raman looks displeased. The sentence given here is Tenali Raman looks displeased. In this sentence, the opposite of displeased is pleased. So, here in the second one, what an ignorant fool you are. In this sentence, ignorant, the opposite of the ignorant is wise. See the third sentence, I agree. Opposite of the agree is disagree. Let us see the fourth one. He is really very clever. What would be the opposite of clever? Yes, right, fool. The fifth one. I wouldn't be too certain of that. What would be the opposite of certain? Right, uncertain. Certain, uncertain. Let's move to the sixth one. One day, Raja Krishnadevaraya and his courtiers watch as an artist shows his paintings to the king. What is the opposite of show here? Hide. Show and hide. Let us get into our comprehension part, that is question and answers. Look at the first question. Why did Tenali look displeased? The answer for this question is Tenali looked displeased because he could not see other side of the two men in the painting and thought the artist was not good. The second question. How did the king reward the artist? What would you have done if you had been in the king's place? The answer is like this. The king rewarded the artist with a bag of gold and asked him to stay at his court and paint more. If I were the king, I would have not given that much reward at all for the simple painting. Let us deal some more questions. What do you think is the reason for the courtiers giggling? The courtiers giggled because they thought Tenali Raman would lose the bet, as they knew that he would not paint at all. What was the bet between the king and Tenali Raman? The bet between the king and Tenali Raman was, if he painted better than the artist, king would give him a bag of gold and honor him with the title of king of artists. If you were Tenali Raman, would you accept the bet? Yes, if I were Tenali Raman, I would accept the bet. I hope you have enjoyed this play, children. How about learning the summary of the play? Right. Have a look at the summary of this drama. In the Krishnadevaraya's court, there were courtiers, king, and Tenali Raman. One day, an artist came to show his paintings. There were two men and a cow in the picture. All the courtiers and the king liked the painting, but Tenali Raman did not agree. He said to the king that he could see only one side of the man and only the back side of the cow. King said he was a fool. He should imagine the bits which were missing. Then Tenali Raman told to the king that he could make a nice painting than that. The king challenged him with a bag full of gold and gave him 1 month leave for making the painting. All the courtiers told that he will lose the bet and he always tries to prove differently. Children, let us know the theme of the play. Through his stories, Tenali Raman always wanted to make people understand that by seeing only one side of any personality of a person, don't judge anything. We have to always think about both the sides of coins. Judging anyone without thinking about his another view or thought is not good. Thank you very much.